Hello girls, today I'm gonna show you guys how I make this chicken. I call it like crock pot creamy chicken. It is delicious, and if you wanna see how I make this chicken, just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna need 6 chicken breasts, 1 pack of the Hidden Valley ranch, half a cup of sour cream, 2 cans of cream of chicken, this seasoned salt by Larry's, and black pepper. So we're gonna place the chicken on the bottom of the crock pot. It's hard to do with one hand. And there we go. And I'm gonna sprinkle some the Larry's salt on top. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the sour cream and the cream of chicken. Alright, and I'll have to scrape that. I'll be right back. So, we have the cream of chicken and sorry guys, it was not. Cream of chicken, the sour cream, and I put a little bit of black pepper on top. And now we're just gonna put some of the ranch on, just sprinkle on top the whole pack. Alright, then we're gonna cover our crock pot. Gonna turn on low, and we're gonna wait 6 hours. I'll be back with the result. Okay, it has been 5 hours, and I think it looks good. Wow, it smells delicious. So let's leave for 1 more hour and it'll be ready. Okay, so the chicken is ready finally, and you can serve it with some salads or even potato, rice. Today, since I'm trying to cut a little bit on the carbs, I'm just gonna eat with salad, some lettuce, tomato, onions, and some vinegar on top. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this recipe, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye!